Welcome to my English lesson. Today, we will practice listening and speaking skills, and also learn vocabulary and correct pronunciation. In today's video, Nelly tell her about daily routine. This will also be a great opportunity for you to practice and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully. My daily routine. Hi, I am Nelly. I get up early in the morning. I wake up at 5 a.m. and take a moment to meditate. Meditation helps me start the day with a calm mind. I brush my teeth every morning and take a shower. After taking a shower, I comb my hair. After that, I get dressed in my favorite clothes. I really like wearing frocks. Then I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast for my family. My family and I have breakfast together. After breakfast, I get ready for college. I go to college by bus with my friends. At college, I have attended different classes like English, math, and computer. English is my favorite subject because it allows me to explore fascinating stories, improve my communication skills, and express my thoughts creatively through writing. During lunch break, me and my friends sit together in the college cafeteria. We talk and laugh. Sometimes we share our food. When college is over, I go home. After returning from college, I freshen up and have a cup of coffee daily. I have a great passion for painting, and I have a separate painting room where I paint daily. After that, I complete my assignments given by college teachers. I have dinner every day at 8 p.m., usually with the chicken pieces, because it's my favorite food. I usually go to bed early around 9 a.m. And then I put on my nightgown and go to sleep. Sometimes on weekend, I stay up late and watch my favorite movie. Thanks for watching my English lesson today. Keep practicing because it helps you improve your English skills. Subscribe for more videos.